What's going on, guys? I'm building a new wardrobe again, and here are 3 reasons why I think you should acquire trousers first. Reason number 1, trousers can change the shape of your outfit. In my opinion, trousers can take up to about 50% of your outfit. Depending on the fit of your trouser, you could either go for a baggy look, a slim look, or a very skinny silhouette. Reason number 2, depending on the rise of the garment, you can either switch up your leg length or your upper torso length. For example, a high-rise garment can make your legs look longer, whereas a low-rise or a low-crotch garment can potentially shorten your legs. As you can see here, with a high-rise garment, my upper torso looks cropped, giving me the perfect rule of thirds, 1/3 up top and 2/3 at the bottom. Over here, for example, it's flip-flopped. With a low-crotch garment, my legs look shorter, but then my upper torso looks a little bit longer. Reason number 3, personally, I think trousers get the most wear between washes. Think about it. How many times do you wash a t-shirt versus washing a pair of pants? Just my opinion. This is why I think I should invest in my trousers first. They're gonna get a lot more wear, and I can probably use my basics from my previous wardrobe while I upgrade the rest. Now for the fun part, let me show you the 3 pairs I picked up recently. For my first pickup, I acquired these beautiful wool crop trousers from Paul Harnden Shoemakers. According to my sources, these are from 2010. Very thick wool on the outer, it has a cotton lining on the inside. The braces have been lost by the previous owner, and he also added these belt loops in case you wanted to use a belt. Can't wait to wear these. My second pickup is a pair of linen trousers from the brand Ziggy Chen. I believe it's a pair from spring-summer 2017. Very beautiful pair. Little cinched waist, balloon action, cropped at the ankle as well. Very antique linen feel, I'd say. But yeah, I love the shape. Can't wait to rock these. The last piece I acquired is from Elena Dawson. Beautiful silk trousers with a cotton lining. Super big, but thanks to the drawstrings, I'm able to cinch the waist. Straight leg, can go with anything. These are gonna be my everyday. Can't wait to wear these. Let me know what you guys think about my pickups, and also let me know in the comments what your next trouser pickup is going to be. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great rest of your week.